Good morning students. Previous class we studied about mass of the earth. Next we can study about what is meant by mass and weight. First of all we can study about mass. Mass means amount of matter contained in the body. Amount of matter. So amount means quantity of substance. Matter means solid, liquid and gas. Already we know that in 8th, 9th also we studied about. Now we can study about how much amount contained in the body. That is called as mass. Quantity, quality, we know that quantity. Quantity of matter contained in the body. Body means any one we can take. For example, this chalk piece. This is the body. Body means any things. So how much amount of substance in it we can calculate. This is the quantity of matter contained in the body. Or another example, we can take any wood. So this also how much amount of matter contained in the body. So we can calculate. This is the mass. How much amount of matter contained in the body. How much amount of matter. Quantity means how much substance. Substance means particles. Particles means that means matter, solid, liquid, gas. So how much we can calculate. This is the mass. So mass is the basic property of your body. Basic property of your body. So next, what is the definition of mass? Mass of your body defined as the quantity of matter contained in the body. What is the unit of mass? SI unit of mass is kilogram. SI unit of mass is kilogram. That means this is called as what is already I told you SI units, and we studied about units of force. So that class we studied about CGS system, SI system. I told you what is meant by SI system. So mass of SI unit is kilogram. Next, what is meant by weight? Weight also we studied about how much weight we can calculate. So gravitational force acting on the body. Gravitational force acting on the body. So gravitational force exerted on it due to the Earth's gravity alone. This is called as weight. So weight means gravitational force acting on the body due to the Earth gravity. That is called as weight. Next, what is meant by weight? Weight is equal to gravitational force, already I told you. So gravitational force means mass into acceleration due to gravity. Mass into acceleration due to gravity. So next, what is the SI unit of weight? SI unit of weight is Newton. Next, at sea level, and what is the level of acceleration due to gravity at sea level and moon? What is the value of sea level acceleration due to gravity? So G means acceleration due to gravity. So acceleration due to gravity at sea level, the value is 9.8 meter per second square. Next, the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon is 1.625 meter per second square. These two also already studied about variation of acceleration due to gravity. Next we can study about difference between mass and weight. What is the difference between mass and weight? So already we studied about definition of mass and weight, quantity of matter contained in the body, and weight is gravitational force exerted on it due to the Earth's gravity. Next, its SI unit is kilogram, its SI unit is Newton. Next, weight of your body remains the same, always place to place, no change. So any amount of any one object we can measure, the object will be no change in the quantity of mass. But weight is place to place to change the weight. So weight of your body varies from place to place. Varies from place to place. So it can be changed. Amount of weight to change in the place to place. Next, it is used to measure the physical balance. So mass is used to physical balance. We know that we can use how we can buy the vegetables, groceries, etc. etc. We can use in the physical balance. That means beam balance. That is the ordinary balance, we can use it, and digital balance also. Next, how we can measure the weight. So it is used to measure the spring balance. So this is weight is used to measure the spring balance, and mass is used to measure the physical balance. This is the difference between mass and weight. Thank you.